Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys are doing well. Well, there's the Amc Javelin Mx, and it's a sweet casting. It came out this year with the Stars and Stripes series, and it's one of the full set Mike sent me this year, Mike Dyson, and I thank him for it. I really do. He's a good brother. He's a great guy. And those of you that don't know his channel, go visit his channel. He has some great diecasts. He's got a little bit of everything in his on his channel. So, guys, go check his channel out when you can. And let's go ahead and go to the next one, guys. Next one is Fished and Chipped. And this one's pretty sweet casting. As you all know, it's a Jaguar. And I never really knew that, never really paid attention to it. But yeah, now you look at the front end and really, you see the Jaguar in it. And the back end of it. It's a great casting though. I love this casting. Sorry guys, I gotta move the camera over a little bit. There we go. And I had to change my lighting around so you can see, get better lighting on this. Oh, I didn't know you were here, Jimmy. Sorry guys. Jimmy, I'll get her. Let me finish, okay? Anyway guys, Jimmy's heading off to bed. She wants me to get Lexi, so I'm going to finish off this video here. And let's go ahead and go to the third car, guys, so I can get Lexi, take her out. Alright guys, the 68 Dodge Dart. This is the blue one. I like the blue better than the green. Love these Dodge Darts. These are another one of my favorite Mopar collection. And I'm a huge fan of these Dodge Darts. And it's a great looking casting. I love the blue. I love the graphics. This car is great. Even the green one's great, but I like the blue one better. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. I got some stuff that came in, actually. Hold on, guys. 70. I know it's a Dsm Plymouth Ttx. Yeah. Yeah, I had to bring this one out. I like this casting. I like the green. Oops. There we go. A little better. Great looking casting. I really like these Plymouth GTXs. And not too much graphics though on the front or back. Yeah, this one's pretty cool looking. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. By Chevy, and it's great casting. I love the white with the gray and blue. Not much detail front or back on this one as well. This one came out of I think it was a 9-pack. But this is a great looking casting. I really enjoy this one. Love the body style too. I like them better than the 57s, that's for sure. 53, 55, and 56 are my favorite years of these old Chevy sedans. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Gotta get rolling here. Alright, next one. Oh yeah, Dodge Coronet Super B. I like the purple. It's like a dark purple, or should I say deep purple, like the band, of course. Pretty sweet looking casting. I like this one. I have about 4 or 5 of these Dodge Coronet Super Bs. One of them is, I think it's Johnny Lightning or an M2. Pretty cool looking. Like the rims on this too. Got like a orange lip around the rims. Alright guys, one more time around the other side and we'll go to the next one. Alright guys. '66 Ford Fairlane GT, that's it. I like this one. This one's a great looking casting. I love the color. Color combination is great on this casting. I really like how it stands out in the light. Love bringing this one out. It's a great looking casting. Sure is gorgeous. No detail front or back though. I think I'm gonna buy me a few red Sharpies and start putting the headlight or tail lights on, or brake lights on there. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one, 57 Chevy Convertible. Like a rose red. It's pretty cool looking. I like this with the white walls on it. It's kind of tweaked on the inside though. The dash kind of fallen down and not the best shape though. That's alright, it's still in place. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. The next side here. Alright, next one's '63 Corvette Stingray. And this one's also got a spectral flame color on it. I like how it's got the Goodyear. Oops, hold that guys. Yeah, it's got the Goodyear wheels on there. It's a beautiful looking Corvette. It's my favorite year, '63, with a split window. And the following year they took it out because it was blind when you back up. It was kind of a gotten away from you seeing when you back the car up. It's a great looking Corvette. I love the '63 Corvette Stingray. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Got 3 left. I'll show you the finds I got. Alright, '69 I believe. Yeah, '69 Firebird Trans Am. I love this one. I love the color. It's got like a dark blue. Like how it's got the bigger wheels in the back, small in the front, the way it used to be back in the day. These cars were awesome the way they had them like this. Bigger wheels in the back, small in the front. Great looking casting. I like this one a lot. Like the white graphics on it. Very sweet casting. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Last two. 70 I think it is. Yeah, '70 Chevelle SS. This one's a great looking casting. It's got really nice detail, real riders on it. Yes, it's got the bigger wheels in the back, small in the front. Love these Chevelles. Love this color too. It's like a burnt orange color with white graphics on it. Really is a great looking casting. They did a great job designing this. Alright guys, we're going to go to the last one. We'll go to the 3 that were given to me. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. And the last one. 63 Chevy Nova Gasser. Part of that Drag Strip Demons series, or set. Blown for a 454 in it. Great casting, too much too soon. Great looking casting, I love this. How they move the wheels up closer and the axle. Alright guys, so I'm going to move the light over. We're going to go to the 3 castings. I'm going to go ahead and show them to you. Alright guys, first one, 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I love the yellow color. Got really nice graphics on it. Really nice Mazda Miata. Gotta remember these back in the day. Pretty cool cruising car down the highway, that's for sure, on a hot day. Alright guys, go to the next one. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and put it on the display. And work on the next one. Already on 12 minutes here. Alright guys. I got 2 left to show you, and that's pretty sweet casting. Alright guys, alright, let's move the light over, and I'll show you the next one. Next one is the new 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Really nice graphics on this one as well. Got the European plates on it, as you can see there. It's pretty cool. I wanted to add this to my Audi collection. I love the Audis as well. It's pretty cool casting. Alright guys, let's open her up. Put her on the turntable, get a closer look. Dang it. Oops. Alright guys, there we go. Better look at it. There we go. Great looking cast. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. I really like it. Another car you can take out on a hot summer day and just fly down the highway. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the last one, and then I'm going to tag some more people for the Gary's Diecast collection. Anyway, you tag people and they pick. You choose what you want them to do. So, alright guys, here's the last one. It's from the Hot Wheels Premium Set Car Culture Wild Terrain. Here's the Camaro. This one's real sweet. I like this one. I'm not real big on 4x4s, especially when they come to cars like this, but I wanted to get it to add to my collection, so it's pretty cool looking. 67 off-road Camaro. Not a whole lot of graphics because of the I forgot what they call those in the front. Anyway, that's it. Let's open her up. Get a closer look, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, there she is. Alright. It's pretty cool looking. I like the colors, the white with the red, white, and blue. Or should I say the red and blue graphics on the white car. It's got Lucas motor oil. Or something like that. Yeah, Lucas oil something on there. Products, that's it. Anyway, it does have the graphics on the back. I can see the tail lights and the brake lights on there. That's pretty cool looking little casting. Glad I have it for my collection, so it's going to go right up there when I get a couple more of these wall. That holds the Diecast, the new wall case, so. Alright guys, Gary's Diecast collection did a challenge, which is the you gotta tag somebody, and I've already done the first tag, which is Rat Black, and he did the Mopar. I had him do Mopar, so I'm gonna tag 2 more people tonight, and right now, I'm going to go with David Beeson, and I'm going to have him do Chevy. I'm going to have him do the Chevy, random Chevy cars. Camaro, whether they be Camaros, Chevelles, Novas, and so on, Corvettes, pickup trucks, doesn't matter. So, David Beeson, and let's see here. I gotta figure out who I'm gonna tag next. Boy, that's a tough one, because Rat Black already did Mike Dyson, so which he's gonna do Ford. So I'm gonna go with David Beeson to do Chevy, and I'm gonna tag Gary back on this one and have him do. Let's see. What should I have him do? I'm gonna have him do Fords. So whether that be Ford Mercury Cougars or Mustangs, you know, the Cobras, pickup trucks. So that's it. That's what I got for you right now, guys. Hope you guys had a good day. Hope your Sunday was good. I gotta get back to get Lexi and take her out. And you guys, hope you guys have a good night. Be good to each other. Be well. Be safe. And I'll be talking to you guys soon. Oh yeah. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Please subscribe. And ring that bell for notifications. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.